How to log in Quora account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Quora application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So in order to log in, you can either continue with your Google, Facebook, or you can directly go for login option over here. If you are new to Quora, then you can go for sign up option. Here I am continuing with Google. If you are doing the same, then you have to select an account with which you want to log into your account. After a few seconds, you can see I have been easily logged in into my account. So by following this simple step, you can log in Quora account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.